Again, today's writing skill topic is what? Notice writing. So I was explaining what is a notice. It's a formal means of communication, first point. Whenever you are writing anything, whether it is a letter or a notice or a message, you should know what it is. Unless and until you don't know the meaning, you can't write. So again, notice is what? It's a formal means of communication. Second, what is the purpose? The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Okay, when you are writing a notice, you should know that what is the purpose. So the purpose is to announce the display or display information. Then notices are generally meant to be pinned upon specific display boards, either in schools, educational institutes, or in public areas. Whenever you are putting a notice, you have to pin it. Fourth is, when the notices are issued by the government, it appears in newspapers. We have seen, no, somewhere sometimes when we read the newspaper, there is a notice, but that notice is in a box. So you should remember that whenever you are writing a notice, you should make a box. Then only you have to write a notice. Now, what are the content? First is, you should always write a notice in a box. Name of the organization where you are, for what, for whom you are writing, institute or any office issues. Next, date of issuing of a particular notice. You should mention the date. Then heading notice. It should be very clear. Then a suitable description or eye-catching caption or heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. When you are writing the notice, when you are writing a notice, what you should write, the description eye-catching. The caption should be such that whosoever sees the notice, he catches that main uh, issue in the notice, that why this notice is pinned on the display board or in the public place. Purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public about some issues. So these are the purposes for which we write a notice. Now, details of schedule. It is date, time, venue, program, and duration. This should be mentioned in your notice. Now, this is one example given here. You are the cultural committee secretary of your school. Your school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition. Write a notice to be put on school's notice board inviting the name of participants for the same. Now, see here, you are what? You are what? Cultural committee secretary. So this is the designation given to you. Okay. And what is the function? It's inter-house English debate competition. So you have to put a notice for this. Right? Let's see. Now see, this is the format I have already given you in your assignment. See, first this is a box, you can see red outline. Then these are the points for pinning. When you are pinning, these are like pins. So the first one is, you have to write the name of your institute or school, that is in capital letters. So it's, again, you can see here, it's written here, Ashok Hall Girls Residential School, Makchhali, Almora. This is, you are mentioning the name of the city. Then heading, again, you have written in capital, notice. Date format, you know, either you write April 8, 2018, or the other one is 8th April 2018. Then is your heading. Again, heading you have written in capital letters. So this is your eye-catching caption, that why this notice is put on the board. So inter-house English debate competition. This is your content. First paragraph, C, you are not using pronouns here and you are not using nouns. It's like, all the students and house coordinators are hereby informed that our school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition for classes 9 to 12th on April 28th. So the competition is on 28th and you are giving the notice on 8th. Now again in second paragraph, it's written, all the house captains or coordinators are requested to finalize 2 students from their respective houses and submit the names to the cultural committee latest by 21st April 2018. For further details, contact the undersigned. Undersigned means the person whose signature is here, whose initials are here. You have to contact. So we are not mentioning any name in the notice. So when you are ending, first you will give your initials, then your full name, and then your designation. So designation was Secretary, Cultural Committee. So this is the format. Now these two questions I have given. First one is for found. You have found one school blazer lying in the playground. As a sports teacher, draft a notice for the same. So here in this question, first question, you are what? You are a sports teacher. So when you mention your designation, you will write your name here and you will write sports teacher. Now, what address we have given? See, Mangal Newton School, comma, Byawar. I have already made a box and I have pinned it. I have mentioned the date, then heading notice. This is the caption, eye-catching caption, found, found, found. And what in simple language, what are we writing? This is to inform everyone because it is a notice for everyone. That's why we are mentioning it for everybody. So this is to inform everyone that one school blazer has been found in the playground. Whosoever has lost it, kindly contact the undersigned. So this is Raman is your sports teacher in this example. So you have to contact who? You have to contact Raman because it is written kindly contact the undersigned. And then your name, full name, and then your designation because you are sports teacher. Now this is the notice for found. Now we are again mentioning one more notice for lost. Imagine, when the question is saying imagine you are Amit or Amita, you are not going to write your name. You will write either Amit if you are male, Amita if you are female. So again you have to draft a notice because you have lost your pencil box. So same format box. Whenever you are writing, just remember first you have to make a box, then you have to pin it. First line you are going to write the name of your institute or school and then city, date, notice in capital, again caption in capital. This is your heading, no? Lost, lost, lost. Okay. Again, this is to inform everyone that a pink pencil box is lost in the assembly area. It's not mentioned, but you can mention the area. Whosoever finds it, kindly submit to the undersigned. If you are finding, you have to submit to whom? Amit, because you have mentioned here that you are Amit or Amita. A perk is promised. It's a compliment. Okay, it's a complimentary that if you will submit the box to the undersigned, you will get a perk. Again, your initials Amit, your full name Amit Jain, and then your designation. You are student of grade 5. So this is all about notice, right?